Okay, here's my favorite topic, why you should sell your home with a real estate broker. So a lot of people wonder if real estate brokers get paid way too much for what we do and if it would save them some money to sell their house for sale by owner. So let's take a look at that. And I think that it's very important to have an expert that you trust to guide you through the process. So that's my bias, and I hope to show you that it's in your best interest financially as well. So first, let's take a look at how much your home is likely to sell for. When they compare homes that have sold for sale by owner and homes that have sold with a real estate agent, homes that are listed with a real estate agent tend to sell for more money. Funnily enough, 6% more money, which is what a lot of real estate agents charge. So that's good. You should be able to get your money back right there, according to the data. Now, other risk factors for selling your home online or on your own include the legal risk. So real estate is very litigious. There are a lot of lawsuits and things like that that start to happen when people get upset and things go wrong. So working with a real estate agent is actually bringing in a third party to help you avoid getting yourself in trouble legally. This is one of the major reasons why doing a for sale by owner has dropped over the last 20 years. It used to be 19% of people would sell their homes themselves, and now only 8% of folks are trying to do that. And statistically, a lot of people who initially put their home on the market as a for sale by owner do end up working with the real estate agent after about 60 days. Okay, third, this is a timely issue, but there's safety. There's health safety and there's personal physical safety as well. When you sell your home on your own, it's very hard to control who comes in, whether they've been vetted, whether you're going to be following them around, watching them, and that's going to make them uncomfortable. So with a real estate agent, we do have certain safety guidelines that we follow, and we also can do things like virtual tours if you're especially concerned about your health and limiting traffic through the home. And fourth, I'd just like to point out the value of having someone to negotiate on your behalf who's a neutral third party. So negotiating the deal can be very complex. I have been in real estate for almost 20 years now, and I've worked with a variety of sellers, especially motivated sellers who tend to be in a kind of emotionally and or financially precarious situation. People who have been through divorce, people who have lost a loved one or selling their house, maybe the home's in disrepair, they don't feel they can sell it well. These types of people tend to be attracted to selling their home to a real estate agent or a real estate investor, because it's a quick and easy solution and they just want to get it off their hands. And yes, that's true. It is a quick and easy solution, but that doesn't always net them the best price and terms. So selling with someone to represent your best interest who's knowledgeable about the marketplace can certainly help protect you, make sure the deal closes, make sure you get the things that you're promised, including the full amount of money that you're expecting. So here are some of the folks that will be in this scenario. The buyer, well, these I guess are people who maybe you have to negotiate with, right? The buyer, the buyer's agent, the home inspector who's going to be looking for all the things that need to be repaired, the appraiser who works for the bank, and if there's a question of how much the bank values the property versus what you've sold it for, there could be some concerns there. And also in some cases, the buyer's attorney will be involved. So just having a professional, neutral third party who's experienced and prepared to have these conversations is certainly another advantage of working with a real estate broker.